Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. So it's not about portability because this is very light. The issue is versatility. Now this is very small and compact, even much less than the Standplus. Now I have to set it up to the right height. Then I have to put my phone, and I prefer using the back camera because it's better. This is a bit hefty compared of course to the small tripod, but remember what I said, I'm only using this in the house. I've already mounted the phone mount, of course, and you'll see it lies flat enough that I don't have to worry about removing it because I bought it specifically for this, so I don't have to keep removing it. So let me show you, compared to the small tripod, how does it set up for tripod versus Standplus. Go. Made a looking user for myself, and that's it. I lift this up, and I'll put my phone, that's it. And because I'm going to use it landscape, portrait, I just loosen a bit and just turn it. And that's it for my setup. I can also lean this down so it will help me. And then I'll show you then moving it here. It makes a little noise, but it's okay because I have tile floors. And then I just need to bring it here. It's noisy, but how often do I use it in the kitchen? And to set it down is as easy. Just need to remove my phone, and if I only had a phone to use here, I'll leave it here, but I just need to remove my phone and then put that down. So easy. Put it like that, and then there's a lever here. Press it in, put my thumb here, and that's it. And then I can go store it. And in fact, I'm not storing it because I take it back to the studio where I'll just set it up and I'll be using it for creating my product. So let me show you the difference in using here with the different angles. I find that is so smooth and so easy. If you're like me, just loosen the movement for the move to be. Use your Allen key to loosen it a bit so that it's easier to move. And because my phone is not heavy, I don't have to worry about it falling. Now the good thing is that I can move it down, up and down, but sometimes I want to film something that's low. Let me give you an example. I want to see to change this view so that I can see the honey from under. So most of the time, because this is already low, I will have to close this once to change the angle or the view. I'll have to do that so that now I'm able to lift it, so that now I'm able to view it how I want. But now if I want an aerial view, I'll have to lift this up again and do this, or if I want it higher because I want to incorporate the flowers. Then I have to put this up again. So it becomes tedious when I'm trying to do different aspects of this. Apart from here where I record the sort of finished product and watch that beverage video on how I do my beverage station, I normally then have to move quite a bit in between. So like now I want to show you, I'm cutting the lemons and I'm recording. So I have to move it here. Then if I was blending and the blender is high, it means I'll have to come here, change up, lift. Then, like now, I need to come here, I need to move here and change it up because I want to pour some coffee. But now I need to record, and the hardest bit of recording this is that it will be hard to see inside the kettle. You can see that? Let me see. Yeah, it will be hard to see inside the kettle, and I can't put my tripod here because it's hot, and I don't want to put it here because it's an eating surface and all, and also I might not get the right angle. So but we'll just go ahead and show you now then. But as I do this, the view doesn't show inside the coffee. So like now I might have to come and do this. Imagine that's me several evenings or day, and I'm doing maybe 11 Independence Days, and I have to do that back and forth between the 11th of them. It becomes tedious, sometimes a headache. So let's see, does the Standplus then make it easier for me? Now let's compare the actual use of this here. To get this angle, you see it is up, but I want it to go down, so I easily move it down so that I can get, okay, so let me put this up right now. So then I'm able to get just a shot of just the pot. I'm able to just shoot as I put the things I need in here. Alright. I have a nice view. I can put my water. And I can put my honey at a nice angle, and I've cut or I've captured that video. And then let's go to the cooker and I show you what I was talking about, the aerial view. We bring it here just as it was. And then I like that I just need to lift it up. Let's put our pot on so that I can gauge. I'm using this backward because it's the one I showed you. Of course, I would use the smaller one, the smaller burner at the front because it's a smaller one. All right, that's why it is. So I can pull it up and bring it forward to do the aerial view that I couldn't before. You know? Remember the aerial view I had? Now I can have it without having to worry about hanging over, falling and all. Yeah, that's what I like about this. I'm so excited to make my work so much easier from now on. To get it down, it's just the same way, and that's it. Right, so we are here. You see now that it's down, I need to lift it filter to get an aerial view of me cutting the melon. See how easy this makes it for me. It makes it easy for me to record. As I cut my melon, right, so there's, okay, let's assume we've done that. Alright, after this, I need to record the blending. And before we even record the blending, I want to take this down again to record me putting all these ingredients inside. Alright, so I have melon. There is the mint and water. So then now I need to close it. Bring it in. If then I was using the bigger blender, I would need to lift this higher, but because this is a small blender, I don't need to do that. But if I was doing a larger amount and I needed to lift this up, I can do that. But now I might still need, okay? So now that's what I like about this. So that is me and how I'm going to use the Standplus using the phone. Do you think it was worth it? Has it made my processes smoother, more efficient, less time consuming, less of a headache? For me, I can't wait to keep using it. So thank you for watching till the end. I hope the review was helpful for you to decide. God bless you. Baraka Tele. See you on my next video. Goodbye.